Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Davis County in southeastern Iowa, southeastern Appaloosa County in south-central Iowa, until 12:15 p.m. At 11:27 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Moulton, or 7 miles southeast of Centerville, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include $half-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Centerville, Moulton, X-Line, Udall, and Sharon Bluffs State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Appaloosa, and Davis.